Hello, so in this video, we are answering the question, why does the size of a country's GDP matter? How does it affect the quality of life of the country's people? So to answer this question, first make sure you understand the concept of GDP, which is gross domestic product. It is the market value of all the goods and services produced in a country in a certain time frame, for example, in a year or in a month, or you can say in a quarter. Okay, so because GDP measures the total market of all the goods and services produced in the country, we could have a picture of how well-being the people in the country is by looking at the GDP of the economy, right? For example, if we divide per capita, if we divide GDP, divide the total GDP by the number of people, population of the country, we basically know how much goods and services each person could enjoy in the country within a year, right? Therefore, GDP does matter because it tells us, how much goods and services everybody could enjoy in the country. And the second question we're trying to answer is, how does it affect the quality of life of the country's people? So the more the GDP we can imagine, the more the goods and services produced, the more the government could use to spend on the welfare of people. And also, like I mentioned, because everybody has more goods and services to use, they are definitely better off. And the less GDP a country produced, the less goods and services each person could enjoy. And of course, the government should have less resources to divert to the welfare of the population. So therefore, GDP does matter, and if it affects people's well-being in terms of amount of goods and services they could enjoy, and also the amount of welfare that they could receive from the government.